We'll guide you through how to fix noise cancellation not working on AirPods Pro 2. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Noise cancellation is really useful as it goes and helps reduce the background noise. So we'll guide you through some different fixes you can try. What you need to do is make sure they're connected to the iPhone, and you can then open up your settings. Scroll down and go and find your AirPods Pro and tap there. Now what you need to do is go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option automatic ear detection. Switch that off. Scroll back up and what you want to do is go and put them both in your ears and then go and select noise cancellation. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it does, then great. If it still doesn't, what we're going to try doing is resetting the AirPods. So what you need to do is go and place them both in the case, like so, and you can then close the lid. And then what you want to do is go and open it again, come onto the back and start pressing and holding down the button. Now keep it held down until it goes and starts flashing orange, like so, and you can release it once the light has gone back to normal, like so. Close the lid on them, and then what you can do is open them up again, and you can go and reconnect them. Go and open up your settings and go and find AirPods, and then go and select noise cancellation, and go and see if that solves the problem. If it does, then great. If it still doesn't, it's worth performing a restart on your iPhone, press the increase volume button, then the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Keep it held down until you see the Apple icon, and when you see it, release. When your iPhone starts again, go back to your settings. You can then go and select your AirPods, and you can go and select noise cancellation when they're both in your ears, and hopefully that solved it.